Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Sngap Syiem College haringkat kajiya trailang bat karusa sel Mawkyrwat hinen kasingi kakhalai terik ujilio arajar arpulai kala Pynlong ika workshop Shisngi Halor kapang National Education Policy 2020 Role of Stakeholders Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat hakaba urakam sangma ubentri beri kmi katanat puli puthi ulalong kumukong san. Hakani ka workshop Shisngi lawan bani Shimenta daki principal jong ki school baper jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills District bani theriatai Halor ka jingpan kre ban pentrai kampurano ya ka National Education Policy hapo ka jilla batna kadang urakam sangma ulaay ka jingero ya ka Sngap Syiem College kabalang gawai ni ki jaka puli hapo ka jilla kabalaay ka jingmanjur ban pentrai kamno ya ka National Education. Hakani ka singi layodon lang uba HM Shangpliang uba renikton ding do tongkhar uba akarnes so shang Dr. Kiki Nongsi, Principal Sngap Syiem College, key resource person but kiwe.
Because this is something that we are going to discuss and decide upon how to make our community, how to make our state, how to make our nation different. The Charles Darwin theory proposed on his evolution theory, the survival of the fittest. This is what is going to happen in this generation. Any nation, any state, any country, any individual, any leaders, any political party, any institution, any teachers and the professor who have the potential to survive, have the fittest to survive, will be survive and will exist in this generation. Therefore, we should be ready to adopt any challenges. We should be, as a teacher, as a community leaders, we should be prepared and ready to face any kind of challenges and measures in life and as we are on the way. Therefore, as the government of India has come up with new education policy for whole of the country. Therefore, I always say there is always talk across the globe about the new education policy of India. Because globally, be it United States of America, be it United Kingdom, be it China, be it any nation, because the minds, the brains of Indians is of a unique nature. I've been told the 40% of the employees in the Google is Indian citizen. The Prime Minister of United Kingdom, England, is from India. The Vice President of the United States is also from Indians. So the Indians are looking to us globally that at one day India will rule the world.
We can have the responsibility to see that we build this college, to see that we can improve this college by sending our bright children, our bright students in this college. And I want to congratulate the performance of the college, even though you get only third class student, but you have made them second division or even first division. That is the great thing that you have done. And if we want really to value or to assess the performance of the college, we can really congratulate and we should appreciate the performance of the college. Who can make a student better from what he has before? Therefore, I want to again remind all of us that setting up of college, setting up of school, educational institution, I think we have to come out of that old mindset of setting up schools, of setting up colleges for the sake of given employment. build the future for our children. But today we are here to talk of a change. What kind of change are we talking today? We are talking of a revolution. We are talking of a revolution that is going to come into the education sector in the state. This revolution will bring a change in the whole education sector in the state with the new policy. The policy that we are going to talk about, the policy that we are going to bring into the state is going to provide that revolution, which we were all waiting for. Now under this, whatever pain that you may have undergone, pain of rooms, the pain of not having teachers, the pain of not having good attendance in the classrooms, this all will be taken care if we ceremoniously implement the new policy.